Hey, Hollis. Do you like laying next to Max Jean? Oh, you look like you're about to either poo-poo or something. Yeah, Max. Oh, you can do it, Hollis. You can do it. Push it out. Max, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. You can do it. Get it out. Oh, gosh. Whoopsie. Okay, everybody. So, Harley and Loa are both currently in trouble. Although I believe that only one of them did the dirty little deed. So, Harley and Loa, I need one of you to tell me what the other one did. I need you to rat the other one out. Now, Loa, I know you love your brother, and it would hurt you to turn him in. And Harley, I know you love your sister, and you don't want to get her in trouble. However, whatever one of you turns the other one in, I will be easy on. If you turn your brother or sister in, you will not be punished, okay? So, I know it's going to be hard. I know it's going to be heartbreaking. I know it's going to be one of the most difficult decisions you've ever made in your life to turn your brother or your sister in. I will give you plenty of time to think about it. I'll ask the question. I'll walk away. I'll give you some time to agonize over it, to search your soul, to figure out what the right answer is going to be within your heart. I will give you the opportunity to do the right thing. I know it's going to take some time, but think about it. Think about doing the right thing, guys. So now I ask you, who took the cookie off the counter? Harley, maybe you didn't hear me. Maybe you didn't understand how difficult this question is and how difficult it is to turn in your sister. So I'm going to ask you again, Harley, because I know that this is one of the most difficult things you've ever done. I ask you again, guys, who stole the cookie off the counter? Loa, do you have anything to say? Speak up for yourself. Loa, was it Harley? Harley, third time is a charm. If it wasn't your sister, we're just going to forget everything that you just said. This is agonizing, Harley. This is difficult. So I'm going to ask you one last time. Who stole the cookie off the counter? Sell out. Take a... Yeah.
Oh, you're rolling all over the place now. There you go, you're coming this way. Grip Grip, see, look, Grip Grip's showing you how to do it. Look at him. Do what Grip Grip's doing. Yeah, you gotta do what Grip Grip's doing. He's trying to show you. He's trying to show you. Yeah. Yeah, he's trying to show you.
Hi, Piper. Hi.
Yep, just completed fixing this fence. Pretty proud of it, I'd have to say. Try to keep selling the art. Damn it.
Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny, you pooped in the kitchen?